Don't. Don't.
I like to put the...
Pivot!
Pivot! And I'll put it all together then. Hi, and welcome back to Bear Food Kitchen. I am Tina Bear. If you are new to our channel, welcome. Like, subscribe, comment. We'd love to hear from you. Today we are making a creamy chicken. Super simple. You could almost just throw everything in the pot. I like it shredded, so we're going to do it step by step. A little bit of chicken broth into the pot. Got a pound of chicken breast. You could also use boneless chicken thighs. That's delicious. And we have some cream cheese. We are going to throw it in here, and it's just going to melt into the chicken broth and into the chicken. And when I take the chicken out and shred it, it's going to be creamy, smooth, and delicious. Oops. Take it all out. I like to kind of set it on top of the chicken. And then you just put the lid on. We're going to cook on high pressure for 20 minutes. Close the seal, the venting seal. I'm going to lean over so I can see what I'm doing. 8 minutes, no. That's it. 20 minutes. I'll take the chicken out, shred it, and we'll put it all together. All right, so it's been 20 minutes. We did some naturally releasing for 10 minutes. Took out all the rest of the remaining pressure that was in the Instapot. Whoa! Looks amazing. So we have these creamy juices from the cream cheese and the chicken broth. We're just going to take these breasts out. Just like that. Set them aside. And in the pot, we are going to add a little bit of hot sauce, some dried dill. You know I love my herbs. Put a lot of that in there. Some garlic powder, some onion powder, a little bit of paprika, and shredded cheese. And we're just going to mix this together. It's going to get all creamy and ooey gooey. We have a jacuzzi. We have a cheesy jacuzzi. And that looks delicious. Just like that. And then we're going to go ahead and shred these. So you just want to tear them apart. You could also chop them, cube them. You could chop them up in little pieces ahead of time. I just like to shred them a little bit. What? Okay. I'm feeling a little proud. I'm going to go ahead and put it back in the cheesy sauce. Stir it around. I'm going to add some bacon bits. You can make your own or you can buy them. Just like that. What? That looks amazing. So we're going to serve it. Now, mind you, you could eat it just like that. Put it in a bowl. You could dip bread in the sauce. Super flavorful and cheesy. We are going to make little sliders. Just like that. Get a good roll nice, firm, not soggy. I wouldn't get a soft roll, a soft dinner roll. I wouldn't do that. Just like that. You could even carve out some of the center. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to eat all the bread. And then we are going to top it. Look at that. Super cheesy. I would put more cheese on it. Just like that. The juices drip down into the bottom. And then I have some ranch dressing. And I'm going to put it on the top because the juices are going on the bottom. I don't want it soggy. Just like that. Get every corner because you want to taste it in every bite. I'll put a little bit of green onion. Lids on top. What? This little piece is calling my name. It's so good. It's super moist. It just melts in your mouth. It's so delicious. And the sauce is super creamy. Wow. Wow, it's so good. I got a sesame seed roll and it goes so good with the chicken and the sauce. I hope you guys try this. This is so delicious. I have people here that I'm going to have to share that with and I'm mad about it, but I'm going to do it. I hope you guys try this recipe. Let me know what you think. Like, comment, subscribe. Be kind to each other. We'll see you next time. Bye.